Ukraine is said to be nearing completion of a compact UAV with high-precision strike capabilities, the ST-35 Silent Thunder. However, it is not clear whether this UAV can penetrate sophisticated Russian air defense systems. Recently, the Geran 2 was deployed on the battlefield, and easily caused damage to Ukraine, especially in terms of electrical infrastructure. The Ukraine war is turning into a UAV war. The ST-35 Silent Thunder was developed by Athlon Avia, a manufacturer of unmanned aircraft systems based in Ukraine. Silent Thunder was developed as a loitering munition, using a precision-guided weapon system that can destroy the enemy targets with minimal risk to people and infrastructure around the targets. It can be deployed to target radar stations, command posts, as well as command and control platforms. It is capable of defeating particularly important and valuable targets, in closed positions. The design of the aircraft is centered on the tube fuselage. Wing mainplanes are arranged in an X pattern along the midway point, and this is repeated through smaller area planes at the tail. Drive power is electric and consists of 6 twin-bladed lift units positioned about a detachable collar. According to the manufacturer, Silent Thunder has a takeoff weight of 9.5 kilograms, fitted with a 3.5 kilograms warhead. With a range of about 30 kilometers, it can be operated in silent mode and at an altitude of 1,200 meters, making it a difficult target to detect. The UAV has a cruise speed ranging between 120 km per hour and 140 km per hour. The fast-moving target ensures quiet and unnoticeable operation. The probability of loitering munition hitting the target is approximately 95%, while circular deviation is up to 3 meters. The weapon system is complemented by a ground control station, optical payload, warhead, multirotor, dropping module, relay module, antenna complex, as well as spare parts, tools, and equipment. The loitering munition is guided semi-automatically using television or infrared guidance heads, which can be swapped based on visibility and weather conditions. ST-35 Silent Thunder can use a wide range of warhead types: high explosive, thermobaric, incendiary, cumulative, for accuracy hitting of important targets and critical infrastructure.